One needs to look effortless and spontaneous but also thoughtful and deliberate. One should reflect how great she is for you and be unique without being too edgy or endangered. Finding the best gift for women is hard, we know. Welcome to Luxury Sensei. Our team got together to help you find the inspiration and created this curated list of women's most desirable gifts. Make sure to watch till the end. We found the best gifts especially for this Christmas. Even for the woman who has everything in the world and wants nothing, it's a win-win list of luxury gifts to treat your friend, wife, or mother and show how much you care. No searching and queuing up needed. Consider the lady in your life covered in just a few clicks. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. Because the best days are good hair days, she will love this deluxe intelligent heat-controlled powered hair dryer by Dyson. This high-tech dryer will totally boost her self-confidence and her strands. She might even forget a salon appointment or two in favor of using this hot tool at home. A luxury gift that will blow her away completely. We tested all the top-rated hair dryers available today. This model by Dyson remains at the top of its class. Burberry Classic Cashmere Check Scarf. Nostalgic of the original 1967 version, this check cashmere scarf is a Burberry classic. It's been woven on a classic loom at a 200-year-old Scottish mill, using an extensive 30-step process that involves washing in local spring water and carefully wiping the fabric with Teasels. It never goes out of fashion and will keep her warm during the winter for years to come. It's also the perfect supplement to her trench coat. Apple Watch 6. What else should we say? The Apple Watch Series 6 is undoubtedly the most famous watch in the world, period. If she has an iPhone but doesn't own this watch yet, this is an excellent gift for a special occasion. With a new blood oxygen tracker and enhanced health insights, the Apple Watch Series 6 is more comfortable than ever to use. It will help her control her health, stay fit, and stay always connected. With you, hopefully. Cartier Panther Luxury Watch. This one isn't for the swoon of heart. This beautiful Panther de Cartier luxury watch is one of the Mason's most anticipated models to date. One of the most talked-about collections at the Salon International de la Haute Horlogerie Genève, where it premiered. We can say that we are surprised. Cartier remains to be one of the best luxury watch marks for women of all time. Inclined with a sapphire spindle at the crown, this 27mm variant has been made by artisans in Switzerland from lightweight 18-karat gold and stainless steel links curved to sit pleasantly on the wrist. With this watch on her wrist, she'll be the star of any play she enters. Saatva 5-star mattress. Careful, this gift isn't for everyone, but suppose she is serious about her sleep quality and you're ready to offer a sizable gift, both in price and actual dimensions. In that case, the super premium luxury mattresses by Saatva are the ideally best mattresses on the market today. We know, we've personally tested and reviewed most of the premium brands accessible right now. Saatva carefully studied the top 5 features discovered in luxury retail mattresses and mixed them to make one perfect mattress. From the strong dual steel coil support system to the organic cotton cover, the Saatva Classic signature features mean excellent comfort and quality. The Classic mattress comes in 3 various firmness levels. It includes a complimentary white glove transfer as well as 120 nights to try her new mattress out at home. These care and concern for customer satisfaction and emblematic of the Saatva brand. The thousands of raving reviews from happy customers worldwide are just the result of the brand's focus to deliver the most luxurious mattress scents possible at a fair price. Now, as we covered the most luxurious gifts for your only one, we want to present you some additional Christmas gift ideas your lady will really fall in love with. Is your beloved a sports girl or a cooking one? We covered all the possibilities. For the one fitnessing at home, Lululemon Yoga Mat. The pandemic has compelled many people to exercise at home, preferably then at the gym or in the fitness studios. If you'd like to give a home gym upgrade gift, think about a yoga mat. Perfect for online fitness classes, ab work, stretching, and especially yoga. A yoga mat is a must. Even if she already owns one, our top tested pick from Lululemon would be a welcomed enhancement. The mat also travels well for those heading into gyms and fitness studios, or those who plan to again one day soon. For the one who likes to cook, stop Dutch Oven. You probably heard of, seen, or bought the Le Creuset Dutch oven. They are one of the most favorite wedding gifts for newlyweds and like KitchenAid stand mixers, a kitchen staple for adults everywhere. Yet, when we tested the Dutch ovens at Reviewed, our favorite overall was not Le Creuset, it was the Staub. We're not the only ones enjoying this brand either. Their cookware is everywhere around the food blogs and Instagram pages. Clearly, these Dutch ovens are trending right now. Go get one for the person in your life who loves cooking. If you're stuck choosing a color, we recommend black or cherry red. One of our colleagues actually owns a Staub cookware in both these colors and love them. For the homebody, UGG Sleepers. 2020 has been a year of homeboys and homegirls. Whether she's always been a homebody or she's been home more than usual this year, you can't go wrong with a gift of sleepers, especially UGG Sleepers, many of which are incredibly trendy right now. That's right, UGG shoes are cool again. No matter where you look, nearly UGG Sleepers has thousands of great reviews, and there's one of every kind of person. The options are a bit unusual though, so here are our picks for this year. For the hype one, the fluffy sandal sleepers are your greatest best. These sleepers have an almost perfect 5-star rating from just about 5,000 reviews, and they are celebrity approved. For more classic UGG sleepers, the genuine shearling sleeper is a high backless option. Also, the Astley water-resistant sleeper is a beautiful full coverage option she can wear in both inside and outside. The last choice is the UGG Scuffa 2 sleeper. With over 1,800 5+ reviews, these are perfect for any kind of person. They are well-liked, not as massive, and are great in between wild fluffy sleepers and traditional sleepers. For the one who posts Instagram pictures of food, a cheese board. Well, we have a girl on our team called Jane. A few years ago, Jane stole his mom's cheese board. Well, she didn't mean to steal it. She borrowed it for a party and then she never gave it back. Don't worry, mom got a new one. It's okay. She used this cheese board for multiple meetings, and every time, people honor its rustic vibe. The best thing about it is that it's not only a cheese board. Yes, it can work as one, but it's also a lazy Susan and a cutting board. Suppose you know someone like Jane who enjoys cheese, hosting and taking pictures of charcuterie boards to show off on social media. In that case, you can get them the exact cheese board Jane has from Bed Bath & Beyond. For the one who is always freezing, Canada Goose Jacket. 2 years ago, our old friend Jane caved and bought this Canada Goose Jacket. Jane was ready to invest in warmth after many northeast winters spent shivering in this decently priced parka. Jane spent about 2 months shopping on a new coat, both in store and online. Eventually, Jane went with a jacket that felt most comfortable and warm and looked flattering, a Canada Goose Jacket. Yes, they are expensive, but Jane can confirm that they are worth the price. Jane refused to go outside unless she absolutely had to on freezing days, but her Canada Goose completely changed that. It feels like I am wearing a heated blanket anytime I go outside, blocking the frigid temperatures from touching my skin. Her coat. If you're looking to celebrate with someone who lives in a place where temperatures drop below freezing, a Canada Goose Jacket is the best choice. We recommend any without fur on the hood. Jane owns the Gabriola in black. Other top featured options include the Shelburne Parka and the Lorette Parka. So what do you think? Will you go for the luxurious choice or save some cash and spend it on a win-win type of gift for Christmas? Leave your opinion in the comments below. If you haven't already hit the like button, do it now. Likes help grow the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive more video content.